Swachhata is an integral part of postgraduate Government College for Girls, Sector 11, Chandigarh. During the Amrit Mahotsav year, especially, our students have endeavored and worked hard tirelessly to maintain a Swachh campus, a clean environment, thereby conducive to very hygienic conditions. It's an extremely proud moment for all of us here in PGGCG 11 Chandigarh, as we are the pioneers in the city beautiful to have introduced windrow composting systems in order to manage solid waste which is generated into organic compost. This organic compost is utilized on our college campus in the various floriculture and landscaping operations. Our faculty members, especially Dr. Vishal Sharma and his team, along with our students, have put in a lot of hard work to achieve such tremendous success in such a short time. I wish them all success in the future times to come.
As it is already mentioned that the magic stick and Gandhiji's value helped us in the segregation of the waste at the source.
This segregation at the source is prerequisite for windrow composting. Besides Gandhiji's values, magic chhadi is useful in collecting waste, sorting and segregation at source.
First, we do solid waste auditing, in which the dry and the solid waste is segregated and generated. We do solid waste auditing in order to prepare windrow composting site. Here we use Gandhiji's magic stick to segregate the waste.
With the help of Gandhiji magic stick, we segregate the composite culture.
I want to tell you about the backdrop of windrow composting, where it all started with the SWAM rule 2018, but now bulk generator have to manage their waste.
Initially, we use single-stage windrow composting, in which we produce organic waste in 240 days.
But now we do two-stage composting to reduce time, cost and carbon footprints.
The magic stick is used to mix the raw compost.
देखिए ये बायोरिएक्टर है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे, सर्विस ने भी बात किया। इसमें जो हमारा कंपोस्ट बनता है, जो हमने वो केक्स बने आप देख रहे हैं उसमें पड़े हुए हैं कूलर में, उसको हम विंडो में ऐड करते हैं। आपको समझ आ रहा है ना ये क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
अब जहाँ भी आपने जाना है, अपने घर में भी, जहाँ भी लेक्चरर बने कहीं भी जाएं, इसको शुरू कर दे, नहीं तो हम टाइम बम, गार्बेज के टाइम बम पे बैठे हैं, उठना ही उठना है। ओके, दिस इज सिंगल स्टेज कंपोस्टिंग। इसमें जब भी हमारा जितना भी वेस्ट आता है उसको हम वो सामने चार्जिंग पिट में ऐड करते हैं, और उसमें सिक्वेंशली 3 लेयर्स होती हैं। नीचे ब्रिक लेयर, एंड देन वी हैव ग्रास, एंड देन 30 सेंटीमीटर ईच ऑफ फूड एंड फ्रूट वेस्ट, एंड आफ्टर 1 month that is transferred to the windrow run 1, and for 1 to 2 months here, then we move to the final, that is the windrow run 2, right? So we get compost here. That compost is already prepared there, and that is used by us in raising.
In the single waste management system, first we add the layer of the bricks. The waste which is generated from the mess and the hostel are added here, and there is the layer is of 30 centimeter of food and fruit waste and grass waste in the first single management. In the second management, we add cakes to it, and then we draw like this. The last layer of this glass coating are added here, and this is how the waste is generated.
The organic waste mixture remaining in charging pit for 4 weeks, and in Windrow we do segregation and overturning with the help of stick on 6th and 11th day.
The magic stick is also helpful in maintaining the composting, as they put stick in the middle while doing sanitization of parameters like pH, moisture, technical conductivity and CN ratio. But to get instant know about organic compost status, we put stick in the middle of window.
The overturning of organic mixture is done at 7th and 11th day with the help of Gandhiji's magic stick in Windrow Run 2.
We start touching the magic stick randomly to know the happening in the windrow by feeling the stick.
If we feel warmth in the stick, then the reactions are going fine. But if it gets cold or has a white crust on it, then there is some problem and the reactions are not going as processed.
This is the first cardinal point. If the stick is warm, then everything is fine. If we feel some crust or coldness in the stick, then we have to check, re-investigate all the parameters.
The stick, then the reactions are going fine. But if it gets cold or has a white crust on it, then there is some problem and the reactions are not going as processed.
This is the first cardinal point. If the stick is warm, then everything is fine. If we feel some crust or coldness in the stick, then we have to check, re-investigate all the parameters.
ओके जी, ये मैं जैसे बताया सिंगल स्टेज कंपोस्टिंग है। ये चार्जिंग पिट है जिसके अंदर हम सिक्वेंशियली डालते हैं पहले ब्रिक लेयर, बेसल ब्रिक लेयर, देन वी हैव ग्रास क्लिपिंग्स एंड देन फूड एंड फ्रूट वेस्ट, राइट। 1 मंथ इसके बाद इसको वहाँ शिफ्ट करते हैं विंडो रन, एंड अल्टीमेटली विंडो रन 2 जो कंपोस्ट तैयार होता है उससे हम फ्लावर्स जनरेट करते हैं, और हम 2 साल से आपको पता ही है उस फेस्टिवल में विनर हैं।